Chili is such a great camping option, especially if you're camping in the spring or fall when the nights get a little bit cold. This hearty meal is easy to pull together and super delicious.
All right, 4:30. We got some good coals going on over there. Yeah. See them great coals over there? So it's gonna be a pretty chilly night tonight, so we're gonna have chili. Pretty simple recipe here. We're gonna use our Men Grills pot, ground beef, pre-cooked as per usual, beef broth. Won't be chili without some sort of beans and tomatoes, and then to kick off the flavor a little bit, a bit of tomato paste just to get that extra tomato-y flavor. We're just gonna pop it all in here. We're not gonna hang the pot over the coals. We're just gonna put it beside and then let it slowly come and get all tasty. All right, again, we're not gonna use this as a pressure cooker because we don't need it to go really fast. Just gonna place that on top. Slightly secure the handle just so that I have something to hang on to, and we're gonna plop it in the coals. Ah, come on. There we go. And just kind of, you know, not too much. Okay. I made a nice little bed for this right here. The Men Grills is a camping pot, so we'll just, there we go. We'll check in on it in about like half an hour or something, just see how it's going. But now we just wait and for chili tonight. All right, time to take a look. We see steam inside, so we're gonna stir it up with this very special ladle. Anton sent it to us as a part of the Men Grill set. It is now available on his website. It looks really nice. I'm gonna try it. Nowhere near ready yet, but I do see bubbling on this side of the pot. Now, when you are cooking on a campfire like this, there's always going to be uneven heat. That's why making stews are the best, since the liquid circulates within the pot. So I'm just going to close it up and let it do its thing for however much longer. No rush.
If you're enjoying this video and want to see more like it, please consider subscribing and giving us a big thumbs up.
Okay, so we've transferred the campfire from outside into there by bringing some embers in. The chili is done. It's on the indoor wood stove, and this is the end result. Now, there are bowls here. I'm just really lazy, and I was already using this, so let's give it a taste. So hearty on a kind of cold afternoon. The Men Grill spoon worked really well. The ladle, just good old ladle. I really like the wooden finish. It didn't transfer any heat, so my hands were nice and not cooked.